everyone! So you've done a really nice job choosing the subtopic that you are planning on comparing and contrasting. I was really happy to see all the good work that you did and all the nice selections. I think they're going to be great subtopics to compare and contrast for both your animals. So today you're focusing on studying your notes for each animal on the subtopic that we chose yesterday, and then you're comparing and contrasting your two subtopics. And you need to have at least two similarities and two differences. So I'm going to show you and model with tortoises and dogs just how we're going to do that. So we're going to go into our compare and contrast doc that looks like this. And there's a spot for animal one. So my first animal that I'm comparing is a dog, and my second animal is a tortoise. And then if you remember, the subtopic I chose yesterday was body. So I chose body because it had enough information for me to compare and contrast. So now I need to think of similarities and differences. So I'm going to review my notes on just the subtopic of body. So dogs walk on four legs, they're covered in fur, they have a strong sense of smell, and they have teeth. Tortoises have round shells, they have no teeth, they have a strong sense of smell, and they have four legs. So I think I already see some similarities. Do you? Good. You should have said that they both have a strong sense of smell. So I'm going to go to similarities and type both have strong sense of smell. It's okay that they're not in complete sentences. What's another similarity between dogs and tortoises based on my information? Tortoises have round shells, no teeth, strong sense of smell, and four legs. Dogs walk on four legs, covered in fur, strong sense of smell, and have teeth. Good, they both have and walk on four legs. Both have and walk on four legs. Good, now for the differences. So, dogs walk on four legs and have a strong sense of smell. We know that that's what they have in common with tortoises. Now, dogs are covered in fur and they have teeth, and tortoises have shells and have no teeth. So I think our first difference can be that dogs have teeth, tortoises do not. And our last difference, round shells for tortoises, covered in fur for dogs. So we can say tortoises have shells, dogs have fur. So this is my example that's here. Now it's your turn to do it underneath. So think about the subtopic that you chose yesterday. This subtopic should be the same. Think about the animals that you've researched, and think about how you're going to compare and contrast these animals. Good luck!